Hello friends, welcome to Food Street. Today I'll be sharing my recipe for making the ultimate club sandwich. These sandwiches are so delicious and easy to make and are a great weeknight meal. So let's begin. I've boiled and shredded about 1.5 chicken breasts, which is approximately 1.5 cups of shredded chicken. To this I'm going to add 1/4 cup of mayo and give it a good mix. 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper powder. Now I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of crushed black pepper. I'm going to mix everything together and then put this aside. I have half a cucumber which I'm going to thinly slice. I'm also going to slice 1 tomato. I've hard-boiled 2 eggs and I'm also slicing them. You can mash the eggs as well if you like. I'm going to make a really simple coleslaw that I'll be serving with the club sandwiches. I'm using 2 cups of shredded cabbage, to which I'm adding half a cup of mayo, 1 teaspoon sugar, and a pinch of salt. I'm going to give this all a good mix and serve it later with the club sandwiches. For making the sandwiches, I'm going to stack 6 slices of white sandwich bread and gently cut off the crust. I'm going to add some mayonnaise on one of the slices of bread and then spread about 1.5 tablespoons of the chicken mixture on the bread. Now I'll add the sliced cucumbers. I'm putting 4 slices. You can add less or more if you like. Now I'm adding the tomato. My tomato was pretty large, so I'm just adding 1 slice to the sandwich. The first layer is done, and now I'm adding the second slice of bread. I'm spreading some mayo on the bread and then adding the hard-boiled eggs. I'll top it off with some cheese and then the third slice of bread. Now it's time to grill the club sandwiches. I'm going to put the sandwich on a heated pan and apply some butter or mayo to the top and bottom of the sandwich. I'm keeping the heat on a medium-low as I want the cheese to melt into the egg and we want a nice golden and crispy sandwich. When both sides are golden, we're going to remove it from the heat. I'm going to cut the sandwich in half and put a toothpick through the top so that it doesn't come apart. Our club sandwiches are ready and have been grilled to perfection. The cheese has melted and you can see the delicious layers. Serve these with some fries and coleslaw. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please remember to like my video and subscribe to my channel. Till next time, Allah Hafiz.